Someone left something at the lighthouse door.
A small, smooth stone with a tiny yellow sun on it. There is no name.
Who left it?
And why? Did someone ever give you a gift with no name? What was it? Tell me in the comments, in English. Before the story, here are some useful sentences. I do not know who left it. Say it with me. I do not know who left it.
Someone drew a sun on the stone. Drew is the past of draw.
Say it with me. Someone drew a sun on the stone.
He is lonely. Lonely means alone and sad. Say it with me. He is lonely.
When you understand something today, that is your win. The links in the description can help you practice more. Now, let us begin. It is early morning at the harbor. The tide is low. Mr. Bell opens the lighthouse door. He opens this door every morning. Every morning, it is the same. But today, something is different. There is a small stone on the step. It is smooth. Someone drew a tiny yellow sun on it. Mr. Bell picks it up. He looks left. He looks right. No one is there. That is strange. I do not know who left it. The little gray cat is sitting near the door. Good morning, little one. Are you hungry? He puts a small plate of food on the ground for the cat. The cat eats slowly. Mr. Bell watches. He is often alone here. The lighthouse is quiet. Sometimes he is lonely. But this morning, he has the stone, and he has a question. Mr. Bell walks along the harbor wall. The cat follows him. He sees Nina at her tea shop. She is opening the door.
Good morning, Mr. Bell.
He shows her the stone. I found this at my door. I do not know who left it.
Oh, that is beautiful. Someone is thinking of you, Mr. Bell.
Someone is thinking of him? That is a new idea. But who? Nina gives him a cup of warm tea.
Sit here. Drink your tea. Maybe you will find out.
Mr. Bell sits outside the tea shop. He holds the warm cup in one hand. The smooth stone is in the other. The cat sits near his feet. Far away, on the sand, a small girl is playing. Mr. Bell does not look at her for long. He looks at the sea. The tide is coming in now. He walks back along the harbor wall. Then he stops. There, near the steps, in the wet sand, small footprints, very small footprints, from the beach, up the steps, toward the lighthouse, and back down.
A child came to my door?
He looks at the stone. A child drew this sun. But which child? And why? Mr. Bell goes back to the lighthouse. He puts the stone on the table by the window. The yellow sun catches the light. Then he looks at the step outside, and he sees something new. Another stone. A second stone. This one has a tiny yellow sunrise on it.
Another one?
It is smooth, like the first one. Someone came back while he was at Nina's shop. I do not know who is doing this, he thinks, but they want me to find them. The little gray cat comes inside. It looks at Mr. Bell. Then it walks to the door and looks toward the beach.
You know something, do you not?
The cat walks out. This time, Mr. Bell follows. The cat walks down the steps to the beach. Mr. Bell walks behind, slowly. The sand is smooth where the tide went out. The cat stops near a big, flat rock, and Mr. Bell sees her. A small girl with dark, curly hair. She has a stone in one hand, a yellow pen in the other. She is drawing a tiny sunrise.
It is Lena.
The cat walks to her and sits down. Lena smiles and touches its head.
Hello, little cat. I am making another one.
Then she looks up. She sees Mr. Bell, and she smiles, a big, warm smile.
Mr. Bell, I made these for you.
You left the stones at my door?
Yes, you take care of the little cat. The cat is my friend. You are kind to my friend.
Now he knows. Lena drew the sun and left it at his door. She did not write her name. She did not ask for anything. Mr. Bell takes care of her cat, so she wanted to give him something kind. The gift was small, but it changed his whole day. Mr. Bell was lonely this morning. He is not lonely now.
Thank you, Lena. This one is for you, too.
She gives him the sunrise stone. He holds the two stones together, a sun and a sunrise. He smiles. The cat sits between them on the warm rock in the afternoon light. The stone was from Lena. Did you guess? And you? Did someone ever give you a small gift just to be kind? Tell me in the comments. Let us remember the story. Stone. Mr. Bell found a smooth stone at his door. Drew. Someone drew a tiny sun on the stone. Drew is the past of draw. Door. The stone was at the lighthouse door. Lonely. Mr. Bell was lonely. Alone and sad. Footprint. Small footprints in the sand. Sunrise. Lena drew a sunrise on the second stone. And from last week, give, smooth, tide. Lena wanted to give something kind. The stone was smooth. The tide came and went. Now, say these sentences with me. I do not know who left it. Someone drew a sun on the stone. He is lonely. I made this for you. The gift was small, but it changed his whole day. 3 questions about the story. 1. What did Mr. Bell find at his door? A small, smooth stone with a tiny yellow sun on it. 2. Why did Lena leave the stone? Because Mr. Bell takes care of the little gray cat. The cat is her friend. 3. This one is about you. What is one kind thing you can do for someone who is alone? There is no wrong answer. In another story, a little gray cat visited Nina's tea shop every day. Nina followed the cat. She found a friend. That story is waiting for you. You understood this whole story. That is real. Now it is your turn. Take one small step today. Say a word. Read a line. Try again tomorrow. You do not do this alone. The links in the description are there for you. A little practice often makes the next story easier. Every story teaches you a few more words. Did you hear give and smooth and tide today? They were in last week's story too. You are growing. New slow English stories come every week. Subscribe and keep growing with us. Next time, Lena takes Mr. Bell to a place she found behind the rocks. Something is growing there.